Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, dear heart. If you're listening today, perhaps your head feels heavy. Perhaps you're experiencing a headache or migraine. Your body is asking for quiet, gentleness, and rest. For the next few minutes, allow yourself to pause. This is a space to soften, to breathe, and to place yourself in the care of Allah, Ash-Shafi, the healer. Find a comfortable position where your head, neck, and shoulders feel fully supported. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. There's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing you need to do. Only this moment. Now gently bring your awareness to your breath. There's no need to take large breaths. Allow your breathing to remain soft, comfortable, and effortless. As you breathe in through your nose, gently count 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly breathe out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Allow the exhale to become just a little longer than the inhale. As you continue at your own comfortable pace, imagine every exhale releasing a little more tension from your forehead. Your temples soften, your eyes become comfortably heavy. Your jaw gently loosens, your shoulders melt down. Each longer exhale tells your nervous system that this is a moment of safety, a moment of peace. As you breathe in, silently say Bismillah. As you breathe out, Alhamdulillah. Inhale Bismillah. Exhale Alhamdulillah. In Alhamdulillah. In Bismillah. Exhale Alhamdulillah. Allow every breath to become an act of remembrance. Each inhale arrives as a gift from Allah. Each exhale allows your whole body to soften. Your forehead becomes smooth. The muscles around your eyes relax. Your temples feel spacious. Your cheeks soften. Your tongue rests comfortably. Your jaw becomes loose. Your neck feels supported. Imagine every breath flowing gently through your head like cool, clear water. Refreshing, pure, comforting. Every breath washes through every tiny muscle, every nerve, every cell, bringing greater ease. Silently repeat, Allah is with me. Allah cares for me. Allah is the source of all healing. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a beautiful light descending from above. Soft, warm, gentle, like the first light of dawn spreading across a peaceful landscape. This healing light slowly moves across your scalp, your forehead, around your temples, behind your eyes, across your cheeks, your ears, your jaw, your neck. Every place this light touches becomes more comfortable, more spacious, more peaceful. The light continues through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands. Your chest feels open. Your breathing remains calm. Your heart feels peaceful. The light flows through your abdomen, your lower back, your hips, your legs, all the way into your feet. Your whole body now rests upon the earth Allah created. You're supported, you're safe, you're held. Now imagine yourself walking through a peaceful garden after gentle rainfall. The air feels cool and fresh. The sky is soft with the colors of dawn. Nearby, a clear stream flows quietly over smooth stones. You walk toward the water and sit comfortably beside it. Listen to its peaceful rhythm. Steady, gentle, continuous. The cool breeze softly brushes across your forehead, across your temples, across your face. It feels soothing, comforting, healing. You dip your fingertips into the cool water. The water is clear, pure, and refreshing. You gently touch your forehead, then your temples, then the back of your neck. Every place the water touches feels lighter. More relaxed, more comfortable. You remember that Allah has placed healing throughout His creation. Just as this stream flows with ease, your body also remembers how to restore balance. Imagine now beautiful light surrounding your head, a peaceful glow of mercy. This light gently wraps around every muscle, every blood cell, every nerve. Everything begins working together in perfect harmony. Silently repeat, Ya Shafi, the one who heals. Ya Shafi, Ya Shafi. Every repetition fills your heart with trust. Every breath brings greater comfort. Every moment invites deeper relaxation. Gently bring your awareness to your heart. Notice something you're grateful for. Perhaps your breath, your heartbeat, someone you love. Simply maybe this quiet moment. Every blessing, big and small, is a gift from Allah. Silently whisper, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Feel gratitude gently spreading through your entire body, like warm light, comforting every part of you. Gratitude softens the heart. Peace settles within. Take one final slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Know that this place of peace is always within reach. Allah is always near. His mercy surrounds you. His compassion embraces you. His healing reaches every part of your being. May Allah ease your discomfort. May He grant you complete healing. May He fill your heart with tranquility. May He bless you with deep rest, renewed strength, and lasting peace. Carry this feeling of calm with you into the rest of your day. Alhamdulillah.